Hello, welcome to Kumar Insights. Today, I'm going to explain about ear. We all deaf people cannot hear, but you should know about ear. You can see the diagram of the ear on the screen. Imagine if there's no ear but only whole canal. Can we hear sound? No, we have to use ear to hear sound. Why? I will explain with a good example. Wait, I'm showing it to you all. This is a test tube in a mug of water. I will fill water in the tube. I tried to fill water into the tube without spilling it, but I couldn't do it. I got a good idea. I found a funnel. Now I put the funnel into the tube and fill it with water. Look at this experiment, and water is filled into the tube clearly. This experiment is similar to that of the ear. If sound waves such as horn sound and speech entered into the sound canal without ear, we cannot hear such sounds without ear. If we use the ear, it acts just like a funnel and it receives sound into canal to hear clearly. It is just similar to that of water filling experiment. Imagine if we use funnel-shaped ear. Our face looks very ugly, isn't it? God gives us beautiful ears. You look at that picture and ears are so beautiful. You see how sound waves travel into human ear. Ear is divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. You can see the parts of the outer ear. You can also see the middle ear parts in the diagram. You too can see parts of the inner ear. Outer ear consists of auricle, which is also called pinna. It has blood circulation and nerves. It helps in detection of sounds and passes sounds into auditory canal. It has eardrum, which is also called tympanic membrane. It is very thin and semi-transparent. It moves forward and backward when sound travels into auditory canal. Now you see the middle ear in that picture. In middle ear there's one small bone called hammer. I'm showing you an example. Look at this hammer. This hammer is swung to deliver sound to other objects. The example is similar to that of working of hammer bone inside the middle ear. Other small bones are seen there. Sound waves travel against eardrum and the drum moves forward and backward. And then the drum pushes hammer bone and this bone also pushes another bone called anvil. The anvil in turn pushes another bone, stirrup, and causes vibration inside cochlea. Last part of the ear is inner ear and it is connected to the human brain. This is cochlea. Do you know snail? It's just like a small worm. Here is the snail with the help of magic. Now you see a snail. The snail is similar to that of the shape of cochlea. You will see the dissection of cochlea on the screen. There is some liquid inside cochlea. When sound causes vibration, and in turn it causes the movement of liquid. Inside cochlea there is a very small tiny hair on the liquid. When the liquid moves, it causes movement of tiny hair. The tiny hair consists of nerve cell and it has connected to the human brain. I have already explained to you about cochlea. The working of cochlea is similar to that of working of the motor. You use your hands to spin the rotor of the motor mechanically. The electric wire is connected between the motor and the lamp. The current flows into the lamp and it helps in glowing of light. Just like the working of motor, cochlea causes sound signals through the nerve to the brain. Just like illuminate light, sound signal helps brain to identify sound. The cochlea is where hearing receptors are located. So the cochlea is responsible for all of the hearing of sound. Now you can see the working of sound signal to the brain. Hope you all understood how the ear structure is and how it works. You all deaf people may wonder why you became deaf. How did you become deaf? I will send in a video next time about types of deafness and its causes. Thank you for watching me. Bye.